Seguimos trabajando en algunos videos sobre el arte y la creatividad. Recently, I've been making some videos about art and creativity and how being creative and expressive gives meaning and purpose to your life. Come on, Hooky. Hey. Ven para acá. Hooky, Hooky, ven para acá. Hola chicos, esta semana estamos en el taller. Hi friends, this week we're in the studio working on some art projects. Hola bonita, hola bonita. Aquí es nuestro taller. Here's our studio, Hooky. This is where Lilac and I lived while you were in Oaxaca. Here's agua, Hooky. My art space has been on hiatus this whole year while I started my new job and Lilac and I got back on our feet. I decided recently to come back to my studio where we lived last fall and to set up a project space, Plush Projects. It will be the 8th iteration of my gallery project experimental art space that I started almost 25 years ago. So I'm in the process of cleaning out my studio space so I can get ready to do some one-night shows this fall in conjunction with the Eclectica, which is here in the same space. One thing I notice about artists, very rarely do you hear them talk about their purpose in life. Instead, they're going to tell you about their next painting they're working on, or that sculpture or art project that they're trying to finish. There always seems to be some sort of goal in mind when you're an artist. And that got me to thinking about creativity, how when you pursue something creative in life that you're not really lacking for any purpose or meaning because you're contributing something productive into the world. My belief is that you're lining up with the creative energies of life when you're practicing self-expression. So that gives us a clue as to one way of finding purpose in life. Get to work being creative. Do something you enjoy, something you can be productive at, something that brings a tangible result into this world. It doesn't mean you have to make art. Maybe you're journaling. Maybe you're making music or writing a story. Maybe you're learning how to cook or just doing something you enjoy that's productive and expressive. I believe especially when you start to use your voice, that's when you find a higher level of meaning and purpose. So keep that in mind just by being productive, just by applying yourself to what you enjoy to create, to bring into this world. That's where you find the purpose, the meaning in what you're doing. Being an artist, being a creator, gives purpose to your life. You're not sitting around wondering what it is you're supposed to be doing with your time. You're here to create. You're here to bring your self-expression into the world. It enriches the world and makes it a more lively, a more informed, and a more aware place. Your creation brings joy into the world. So keep that in mind, how creative expression can give meaning in your life. Isn't that right, Hooky? Hasta la próxima semana. Nos vemos, amigos. Te amo. Besos.